Today we are going to talk about limits and continuity. From here, it is given us functions, but we cannot directly substitute the value of 3. So now we will proceed to long division. Now for this, for your convenient purpose, we should not write in that way. For me, I will write 4x cubed, x squared, x and also the constant value. Now, since it is given the function of x minus 3, I will divide the x minus 3 function. Proceed with the first value. I would like to multiply with x squared. That will get x cubed. Then proceed with the following value. We will minus it. We will get the following value. Last but not least, it is good to get 0. Now we have split into two functions and we will substitute for x cubed minus 27. After substituting the split function, we can cancel out x minus 3. Since x is approaching to 3, then now we can substitute the value for the x value. If you would like to live in fraction form, it is okay. But if you would like to live in decimal place, for me, I will prefer 4 decimal places in order to obtain an accurate answer. That's all for this example. We will proceed to another example in my next video. Stay tuned.